Hi everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to make a really quick dinner, and you can have it in the oven in probably 10 minutes, and it takes 2 hours to cook, but that's all you do is put it in the oven and it cooks. So you're going to need 2 to 3 pounds of chicken of your choice. I have boneless, skinless thighs. I like it. I like the darker meat. It stays juicy, more juicy than the breast does. You're going to need a can of cream of chicken soup, 1 packet of Lipton onion soup mix, 1 cup of rice of your choice. I'm using jasmine. Like I said, you can even use minute rice. Just don't cook it. It goes in the pan uncooked. So now what we're going to do, we're going to start, and here's my pan, and I sprayed it really well, and I'm just going to pour this rice in as evenly as you can get. And then you're going to put your chicken on top of that. And I have doubled and tripled this recipe. It works great. So if you need more, just get a bigger pan and go ahead and do what you need to do with that. Now, I'm going to sprinkle the top of the chicken with the onion soup mix dry. So I just kind of take it in my hand because sometimes you have big clumps in them. So I'm just going to put it over the chicken and onto the rice because I have less chicken than what it's called for, only because we can't eat that much chicken here. So I have a lot of extra seasoning, so I will put it all over my rice. Okay, so then what you do is you take 1 can of cream of chicken soup. Make sure you clean out the can really well. Okay, then you're going to take your can and you're going to take chicken stock or broth and you're going to fill the can up twice. Alright, so I didn't have enough chicken broth, so I'm just going to put some water in it. You can use water. It doesn't taste as good. Alright, so I'm just going to pour that in there. And now we're going to whisk this up really good. There will be some lumps of cream of chicken soup in here. Don't worry about it too much. Just do the best you can with it. And then all you do is pour this over your chicken, gently, onto your rice. Okay, and then just clean out your bowl, and then you cover this tightly, put it in the oven on 325 for 2 hours, and that's it. So this is our finished chicken and rice, and I just made a side of asparagus, and that's it. That's how easy it is. Please like, share, subscribe, and remember, you do you.